Good day everyone, my name is Ray Dimor Sirad and this is my activity. My title is Historical Finger Video Activity and my question, if you could spend time one day with a Filipino historical figure. If I were given the opportunity to spend one day with a historical Filipino man or woman, I would choose Dr. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, among the many significant figures in our nation's history. Rizal stand out not only for his intellect and talent but for his unwavering love for the country and his peaceful approach to achieving reform. His life and legacy continue to inspire generations of Filipinos to value freedom, education, and national pride. Piliin ko si Dr. Jose Rizal, ang ating pambansang bayani. Isa siyang talino upang reformista na ginagamit ang kanyang talino upang labanan ang katatawalian noong panahon ng mga Kastila. Ang kanyang mga nobilang No Limit, Danger at Iyay Televoterismo ang nagulat sa kamalayan ng mga Pilipino at naging inspirasyon sa himagistan para sa kalayaan. Hinagaan ko ang kanyang tapang, talino at wagas na pagmamahal sa bayan, ang pagkakasama ko ang kanyang tapang. Mali na. Sorry.